crafting corner! Let's make a dino egg! What you'll need is card, paper, a glue stick, colourful pens, some scissors, and a lolly stick and sellotape. Start by folding the card in half and draw an egg. And cut, cut, cut. Decorate your egg however you'd like. Draw a zigzag line across the top half of the egg and cut, cut, cut. Grab your sellotape and roll it. And join the eggs together. Grab the piece of paper and draw your dinosaur. Colour it in and cut around it. Grab your lolly stick and some more sellotape. Grab the top half of the egg and glue it onto the dinosaur. Thread the lolly stick through the gap in the egg. And there you have it! Good job, everyone!